we're fishing guys. Ano yun guys? The winner fishing papakir guys. Dito lang tayo guys sa pagkalan guys. Yung balik na dalawang fisherman. Mag-boyfriend papakir naman. Carefree kayo mga dito sa dagat guys. Kaya naman ang mabuti guys. And then may casting with EE. Right, continuous ko guys. Habang ang weather ay hindi maganda. Nag-try lang guys. Natin sa 3 hours. Ay wake up sa body. Kaya yung high tide. That's why I thank you for him. Siguro guys, natumba yung ano natin guys eh. Natumba yung timba natin. Ay, malaki nga pala guys oh. Ay ay ay. Ayan guys, umuulan eh. Doon na ako guys oh. Pero hindi pa kinagat yung ano natin oh. Natumba yung wala na guys. Palutay ka naman. Ayun, laki oh. Cut off natin guys. Yala. Grabe ulan oh. Basa na ako. Alright guys, dito na tayo banda sa may 30 fishermen guys. First natin na through. And shout out to Ilocano Hunter guys. Nakita ko dun sa likod ng McDonald. Kaya ito munang nahuli natin sa atin na first through. Pang malakas yata ito guys. Yun oh. Nandito na pala sa harapan natin. Ayan na guys oh. May kasama tayong fisherman dun guys oh. Nakayusi-yusi lang. Kaya ito nang sa atin. Alright. Thank you mama. Good morning ma. Good morning Mr. B. Let's go sila guys. Kasi nandun na mag-ina ko guys sa hospital. May provision yung anak ko. Kawawa naman. Ay Jesus Christ. Alright guys. Going low tide. Pero still catching guys. So, yeah. All right. You see, look how the beautiful in Saipan now, guys. This is Antonio Picha. My back. All right. See, and this is my cutting. Si Mama, number 2. Habang tayo naghihintay guys sa atin na mag-ina guys. Alright, Mr. B, uy! Walang prino ah. Tuloy-tuloy ah. Kailan yan guys. Continuous natin guys. Kasi scooter bike displays guys. At dito tayo. Kailang, continuous natin. So, I thought nothing. But I don't know what kind of fish this one. Kasi nandito tayo sa itaas ng ano guys. Oh, puti guys. Akala ko wala. Mayroon, Papa Jerry. Oh, nakatatlo na agad tayo guys. Oh. Kaso lang ganitong kalalaki lang. Okay na yan, not bad na yan. Habang tayo naghihintay sa ating mag-ina guys. Kuwaris yung isa ng anak ko eh. Kawawa naman. Wala, serious ko. Na Lord, milaban tayo dito. Mabigat to. Ayun Lord. Oh, new kong. Busy ako ha. Ano Lord. Ayun na. Ayun na. Makawala pa. At least nakahuli tayo. Paano? Ha? Kasi mag alas 12 na. Hindi pa ko tinawagan ni Mrs. Lord. Paano nangyari sa anak ko sa operasyon? Testing tayo habang pinagdatan tayo ngayon. Alright. Yan guys, malaki pa sa cellphone natin. Ay ito, nakahuli tayo ulit. Guys, sana yun. Kala ko hindi na tayo makahuli guys. At least kahit paano, mayroon pa. Kahit paano. Ayun, mama. Ayun guys. Lang, sa totoo lang guys, hindi lang malalaki yung huli natin. At least, nakahuli pa rin. Tingnan mo yung huli natin, Yung kaapat na, pang-lima to. Right, continue na natin guys. At least paano, sasakyan lang natin guys, very close lang. Hanggang hinihintay natin ang tawag sa sa hospital. Alright, Mr. B, kamusta ka na dyan bro? Guys, mayroon naman guys. Wait, let me see. Alright, not bad guys. Paralaris lang lalaki guys. Naka 5, 6 na agad tayo guys. Seconds lang guys pagtapon natin. Alright, may Amerikano pa guys. Kailangan putis na tayo papadiri. Ngayon mamayan, 10 na yan. Tama-tama tawagan na tayo guys balik sa hospital. Alright mama, yun lang guys. Continuous lang guys. Going low tide but continuous lang catching guys si mama. Alright, come on mama. Guys, alright guys. Nakatatlo agad tayo guys. Ano yan? 6, 7 na ito guys. Bilisan na natin guys kasi mag-alauna na. Alright. Ayan good set na. Para sa lahat ng laki. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not bad na yan guys. License na yan. Mamaya 10 na yan. Right. Continuous na tayo guys. Talagang umanat guys. Uy, pamalakas to guys. Yan, kapitan natin guys. Kasi sayang si mama makawala guys. Mas malaki yata to guys. Malaki ni si mama guys. Ano guys lumalaki na. Yan guys yung batultang, tingnan yung batultang ng siphon guys. Ito yan. Yan ang batultang. Kaya naman ang service natin yan guys. Wala na yung puti. Nakuha na ng anak kong babae guys. Ito naman guys si mama. Saan si mama guys? Ayun malaki yan guys. Yan si mama guys. Continuous natin guys habang naka-8 na tayo. Guys, alas 12:25 na guys At least pag nakuha natin ito, may pang 10 na tayo guys. Ayos alright. Ayan na guys, ganyan lang kalalaki lahat ng makuha natin. Hanggang ngayon mag-alauna na wala pa akong tawag guys Hindi pa tumaga. Not yet called the hospital guys. Maybe it's a long way operation guys. That's why still waiting the big side. Let's continue na tayong nakagatan guys. Guys, another one. Yes, see that? Mama, mas malaki-laki dito ko guys. Yan. Ayan ang uli natin guys shoutout si Ilocan Handler guys. I met today guys this morning in the back of the USCIS McDonald. Yan ang pang-sampo natin. Kasi Mr. B in Sacramento guys. Si Cebuano Journey in Las Vegas guys. Si Music in Saipan. Woohoo! See that? Puntis natin guys habang naghihintay tayo ng hospital. Ang tawag sa atin. Pikapin ko ng mga gila ko. Kuha natin to guys. Number 11 guys. Dalmal. Uy, tago siya. Muntik na. Nakita nyo yun. Tuli ng ng guys, ng brakuda yung natin guys. Yan number 10 yung kakuha natin isa. Ayan guys ayan sila yan. Ito ngayon ang pangalawa natin. Alright, continuous ka to guys habang kumagat pa, habang nintay natin ang resulta sa operasyon. Guys, hindi pa pala na-operan guys yung anak ko guys. Mga alauna pa pero dito pa tayo sa tabing dagat. Mahuli pa rin tayo guys Ayun kaya hindi pa ako nauwi. Akala ko yun na. At least tuloy pa rin kagat. Mamaya natin uwi guys. Ayun continuous na natin. Akala ko na-opera na guys, hindi pa pala. Alright, continuous na natin guys, fishing guys. Kasi wala na rin ako gasolina Insay! Shout out. Sinsya na kayo guys, kasi busy tayo guys sa kahauling ng maputi guys Na-cancel yung operation guys sa alas 2 pa daw guys. My wife already called to me but may following he said not yet my son operation, that's why he tell me I go home. I almost go home guys. I finished this one first, continuous catching the mother maputi guys. See, bigger to my cellphone again guys. Alright, shout out Ilocan under guys, is enjoying catching the maputi too. Ayun ang huli natin pala guys yan guys. Kaya pauwi na din tayo mamaya yan. Tayo maka uwi guys kasi ayan na naman sayang guys ang natin guys kung uwi agad tayo habang kumagat si mama. Ayun, laki naman guys Ayun pwede tayo makauwi kasi nag-harvest tayo ngayon guys ng fishing farm natin dito sa Bistrud may batultang. Ayun na guys nagkagulo na siya sa timba guys kita nyo yan nagkagulo na sila dyan. Bahala na kayo dyan. Okay yun si mama natin guys bigyan na sa cellphone natin yan guys nagtago pa siya guys sa kanyang I-assume to you, Papa Joey, I love you mama, don't assume me. Enjoy lang. Harvest time talaga guys. Talagang harvest time si Papa Joey, harvest time. Huwag mo putulin yung guys, ang problema ko yung ang mayroon na barakuda ng malaki guys naghihintay guys nagkagulo na sila dyan guys sige lang, continuous lang daw. Alright, continuous, don't mad. I love you guys. Enjoy lang guys. Aray, di pa tayo uminit ang puwet natin sa upuan natin guys. Not yet hot. Starting again the bite. Ayan guys laki naman guys mama laki Allah Allah, hakot lang ang hakot guys tingnan yan not lying, not scammer dito guys Ayun, oh. Kutis lang tayo guys habang kumakagat pa. Still biting. Alright. But I don't know how many pieces we're catching guys. Alright guys. Time to go home. And it's good na siya guys this morning. The hospital yesterday is calling already to schedule my son to operation. It's another already 2. And I live in the hospital like almost 9 to trying fishing, but I met si Mr. Pilupan under in the back of the mobile or McDonald guys in the side of USIS. But I catching only 2 fishes and then I'm moving in the 30% man, but I do not catching. That's why I'm moving this place, closing the bottle tank, this place. And but according to my wife, my son is not yet starting the operation. Maybe 2 o'clock, because it's a lot young kids. We have operation today, guys. Time to me going because I already hungry. And then at least I catching not a lot, but still catching, guys. And you can see that my catching today, guys. My another spot. Yeah, because this morning like high tide, but time to go because I don't have bread already, guys. Already finished. My mama is already complaining, guys. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. This I'm catching today, guys. I don't know how many. Maybe like 15 pieces. At least still catching, guys. Okay, time to go home, go and eat, relax a little bit, and then maybe come back to the hospital if my wife calling or what time to go home. Yeah, see. Alright, mama. Thank you for watching, guys. Mr. B, I'm busy today, bro. Yeah, ma. I'm very busy fishing in the hospital waiting the calling to me again. Alright, let's go home, guys, and eat. Alright, okay. I want to see in the house how many pieces I catching, guys. So, alright guys, karating na natin guys. Nakita ko pa si Abong. Hindi ko siya nakilala guys. Kawawa na si Abong. Itong kuli natin ngayon guys. Ito lang na uli natin eh. Pasensya nyo na guys. Wala eh. At least may uli pa rin tayo guys. Postpone yung operation na saan ako guys sa hospital. Kaya nag-fishing ako guys. Kaya babalik ako doon mga bandang alas guys, kasi continuous ang pag-opera eh. Alright guys, this is it. Shout out lang sa inyo lahat guys. Mr. B, and si Umar, and si Mr. Abo. I see it in the HK store. And I don't know this afternoon again guys when I'm going to straight to the hospital. Okay, I'm very busy. Thank you for watching guys. Please like please and subscribe. Thank you for watching this my video guys. I love you guys. I love you mama in the sea, and I love you mama in the land. I love you guys. See you soon again guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you. Bye.